Hey, what's up, guys? Today, I've got a quick fix for all of you using VMware Workstation and facing this annoying error when trying to run a VM with Intel VTX enabled. Don't worry. If you're seeing this, it's actually a pretty simple fix, and I'm going to show you exactly how to solve it. All right, first things first, let's head to Windows Security. You can easily find it by searching for it in the Start menu. Once you're in, click on Device Security. Now, under Core Isolation, you'll see an option called Memory Integrity. Click on Check Details. Here's where the magic happens. You need to turn Memory Integrity off. Once you've done that, make sure to restart your computer to apply the changes. All right, let's check now. After the reboot, your VM should be up and running without any issues. Problem solved. If this fix worked for you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.